Record-breaking SIP inflows hit 25,000 crore rupees, signaling strong investor confidence in India's growth story. Yet, FII sell-offs keep caution high for Nifty. Stay tuned for key market insights, stock trends, and India's path to a $35 trillion economy. The good news and also the breaking news: monthly mutual fund SIP inflow has hit an all-time high, crossing 25,000 crore rupees mark for first time. Please note, last year in October 2023, the SIP inflow was at mere 16,928 crore rupees. The positive takeaway is that new SIP registrations have also seen a sharp increase, with 63.7 lakh new SIPs registered in October, up from the previous month's 58.7 lakh. And most importantly, the total number of active SIP accounts in October have also hit a record, now at 10.12 crore. Bottom line, the rise in SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, investments shows investors' confidence in the Indian markets and a vibrant investment destination. The big question: why SIP investments in India are on the rise? Well, India has ambitious goal to become a $35 trillion economy in next 25 years from the current $3.5 trillion economy. This tenfold potential India's growth in next 25 years is likely to be on the backdrop of 1. India's strong economic fundamentals. 2. Environment conducive to investments. 3. Low inflation. 4. Friendly environment for the FDI in India. 5. Strong foreign exchange reserves. 6. Ease of doing business, reducing compliances. 7. India remains the reliable partner in a global supply chain. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2307 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 2027 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating consolidation. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at around 14.27 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 1.19 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 0.99. Nifty outlook: volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Nifty, CMP to 4141. Support, 24,050 to 24,000. Resistance, 24,250 to 24,300. Range, 24,000 to 24,300. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 51877. Support, 51,500 to 51,500. Resistance, 52,050 to 52,100. Range, 51,500 to 52,100. Bias, sideways. Donald Trump's victory party rolls on at Wall Street as the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all scaled new record highs. The S&P 500 scales above 6,000 milestone and Dow Jones zooms higher above 44,000. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests optimism around Donald Trump's election win, the Fed rate cut, and consumer sentiment should also keep downside limited for the benchmark Nifty. But that said, the only wall of worry is persistent FII selling. Please note, FII Exodus has crossed 22,000 crore rupees this November. Buzzing stocks. The cue to results to trickle in today, Tuesday, 12th November: All Cargo, Amritanjan, Bombay Dyeing, Bosch, Eveready, Hikal, Hyundai, Jyoti Lab, Motherson, Nykaa, Polyplex, Religare, Zydus Life.